Below is a compact but comprehensive briefing on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail, MEHSAR, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train project. What it is, why it matters, technical and commercial details, construction progress, challenges, and the timeline to watch. Quick facts, at a glance. Corridor length, 508 kilometers, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. Number of stations, 12, including Sabarmati Ahmedabad, Anand, Vadodara, Bharuch, Surat, Bilimora, Vapi, Boisar, Virar, Thane, BKC Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai, etc. Operating speed, design top speed till the 320 km/h, commercial travel time expected to be till the 2-3 hours depending on stops, versus till the 7-9 hours today by conventional trains road. Estimated project cost, till the 1.08-1.10 lakh crore, numbers reported vary as scope contingencies change. Funding is mainly AJICA loan, major share, plus Indian central state contributions. Technology and trains, Japanese Shinkansen technology selected, India is trialling expected to use EP-5 series, with later E10 planned, for trials operations. Safety systems, track and depot follow Shinkansen standards adapted for Indian conditions. Route and stations, short. Main stops, official list from NHSRCL Ahmedabad, Sabarmati Depot, Anand Vadodara Bharuch Surat Bilimora Vapi Boisar Virar Thane Mumbai, BKC Bandra Kurla Complex. Some sources list minor naming ordering differences. Exact station footprint and access interchanges are being developed. Funding and economics. Loan from Japan, JICA, provides the bulk of official development assistance, ODA, historically reported as till the 81% of the loan component. Indian Central plus Gujarat and Maharashtra states cover the balance and local costs, land, utilities, resettlement etc. The total estimate has been reported around 1.08-1.10 lakh crore, USD till the 15-17 BN, depending on exchange rate and scope. Fare signals, final fare structure not yet fixed. Earlier official estimates indicated fares in a wide band. Sources have quoted figures like till the 250-3000 or around 1.5 times first class AC on some trains, but NHSRCL operator will finalize pricing nearer to operations. Treat published fare estimates as indicative only. The Metro Rail Guy. Technical design highlights. Fully grade separated alignment, no level crossings, largely on elevated viaducts to minimize land acquisition and interaction with road rail. Viaducts and bridges. Large portion of the line is on viaduct. Hundreds of spans and dozens of river bridges are part of the civil work. PIB NHSRCL progress updates list completed viaduct bridge lengths. Press Information Bureau. Tunnels undersea section. A multi-kilometer tunnel undersea section under Thane Creek and underground stretches through Mumbai suburbs are required. TBMs and specialized tunneling methods are being used. The Times of India. Rolling stock and signaling. Shinkansen rolling stock, Japanese build, with high reliability signaling, automatic train protection and dedicated electrification, 25 kV AC, tailored to HSR safety standards. Construction status, major milestones and progress, latest public picture. Work began in earnest after 2017, major civil construction, piers, viaducts, girder launches, bridges, station foundations, accelerated since 2021. NHSRCL and contractors, L&T, Afcons and others, have been awarded multiple large packages. Viaduct progress. Several hundred kilometers of viaduct superstructure have been constructed. Official updates report large portions of superstructure completed. Press Information Bureau. Bridges tunnels. Many river bridges completed and tunneling contracts awarded. TBM deliveries and mobilization have faced delays at times. Example, TBM procurement logistics were reported as a challenge and later resolved. The Times of India. Spending and pace. Government statements in 2025 reported tens of thousands of crores already spent and major packages in execution, but the project remains complex with many remaining works, track, systems, train sets. Scheduled target opening. Published targets have shifted over time. authorities and public sources have cited an initial Gujarat section trial runs targeted around 2026 to 2027 and full corridor targets in the 2027 to 2029 timeframe depending on the source and when the update was released. Timelines depend on remaining land clearances, tunneling, supply of trainsets and signalling traction works. Different official statements and media reports give slightly different target years, see citations. Benefits expected. Massive reduction in travel time and a high-frequency intercity option for business and leisure travelers between Mumbai and Gujarat. Economic development and improved connectivity for intermediate cities, Vadodara, Surat, Bharuch etc. Technology transfer, HSR standards, depot operations expertise, and industrial participation localizing some components. Key challenges and risks. Land acquisition and environment clearance in Maharashtra, dense urban industrial areas, caused delays earlier, still sensitive for certain sections. The Times of India. Complex civil works, long undersea underground tunneling under Thane Creek, urban tunneling at depth, complicated geology and TBM logistics add schedule risk. The Times of India. Cost escalation risk due to scope changes, inflation, currency swings, large JICA loan exposure to yen movements, and delay. What to watch next? Near-term indicators. NHSRCL statutory progress updates. PIB press releases for monthly construction metrics, viaduct kilometer completed, bridges done, station foundations. Press Information Bureau. Trial run prototype train arrival and first trial schedules, train set deliveries and testing plans. Reports expect prototypes before full train set fleet. Tunnel boring machine, TBM, mobilization and breakthrough news for the Thane Creek Tunnel, major critical path item. The Times of India. Official announcement of final fares and commercial timetable as commissioning approaches. The Metro Rail Guy.